Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. On today's Vlogmas episode, I had the joy of volunteering to cook jollof rice at the school's cafeteria. The day kicked off with prayers setting the perfect tone, and then we got straight to work.
Actually, remove the dirty one. After you have allowed me to use the dirty one.
No. I'm not seeing her now. You did record though.
Mister, please put the apron well. Put behind the skirt.
The smoke. So it's looking good. No matter what I don't be Angela. Is it? You only cut people here.
No, I don't keep this to that. Auntie Maggie, where is the water? Wow, this is jollof rice. We just added water.
It was such a fun and fulfilling day spent with an amazing team. I honestly had fun working with everyone on this day. It made my day. Jollof rice is very easy to make if you know the steps. I will be tagging my jollof rice recipe on this video. If jollof rice is something you're interested in learning, then you should take a look at that video.
And that's my G.
Oh, you don't know.
And that's Kristen. Kristen that did not greet me today. Yo, excuse me. And this is the new Mr. Eric. And this is Mr. Chidi.
Thank you.
Mr. Chidi is on coastal duties. And we have this mama here.
Yes, thank you.
Fish is going on here and Angela is in charge. Miss Janet, good morning. What are we doing with this? And akala. Okay. For borders. You are not inside the video. You don't want to be in the video?
I'm making cake.
You're making cake?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Look at the cake. Look at the cake.
The environment is not environmental.
And just as we were doing this, our supervisor just walked in.
Yes.
Hey, mama.
Afterward, I popped by the school's tuck shop opening, which was a lively and exciting event. To top it all off, I unveiled yet another birthday gift, this time from my favorite nephew Alex. It was such a heartwarming surprise, and I absolutely love it. That's all I have for you today on Vlogmas Day 5. I hope to see you on the next video. God bless you. Stay tuned for fun vlogs. Bye.